In this video, I want to show you how you can make a smart navigation on HMI, on Siemens HMI TO portal like this. For example, I'm in this page, is pits. We have the name of that here. We go to pumps, we have the name of that. And we have, for example, trend. Let's log in. Admin. Admin. Okay. The password. Okay. And here trends. So how we can do it on TO portal? It's so easy. First of all, you will go to the template. This is my template on this project. As you can see, I have a IO field, some symbolic. It's here. Symbolic IO field. Okay. We need a tag, a local tag. So I made a local tag. It's here. A screen text list menu bar. It's integer. So I will go to text and graphic lists and here text list. I made a screen names, its value range, and I put a specific name for every value. For example, pits for number 1, pumps for number 2, and trends for number 3. That's it. Okay, so I want to say in my template that this comes from symbolic IO field, just follow these tags. So I go to properties and choose these tags and say, okay, this is just output, and follow screen names that it's the same text list. That's it for showing here. But there is another one. There is another thing that we have to do it. For example, I go to pumps. Okay, this is the page pumps. Right click and go to properties, and then I go to events and load it. Here I'm saying when I am in this page, in this specific page, just set tag and edit this tag, the value of that to number 2. Okay, and for example, I have to do this for pits. Here, load it, set tag, text list menu bar to 1, and for trend to 3. Okay, that's it. So if you check here, I have something interesting here. When I click on pumps, it's turned to blue, and when I click on pits, it's turned to blue. How did I do that? Okay, I just go to the template. Before that, it's obvious that we go to text and graphic list and make a list. For example, pits 0 and 1, pump 01, trend 01. For example, pits, I have 2 pictures for that. This is for 0, this is for 1. That's it for pumps and trends. Okay, after that, I go to the template. Here, this is a kind of button. This is a button, okay? I click it in properties, and here I choose graphic and graphic list, and I assign the graphic list pits to it. So we have 2 pictures for that. But I need a tag to process this graphic list. So I have to make 3 tags for every screen: pits, pump, trend. This is Boolean. And so come back to here, go to this one, properties. So I have graphic list, and that's it. But when I click that, I need an event. I put it on release, and that's clear. When I click on this, it goes to pits screen. For example, this one goes to pump screen. That's it. So the final is like this. When I click on pumps, it's turned blue, and here I have pumps. When I click on pits, it's turned blue, and here is pits. And the last thing that we have to do is pump or pits, and here we have it cleared. The same tag When I click it and it goes to the screen and turn it blue, the icon, I have to clear that tag to 0. Have a good time, and if you like this video, press the like button. Thanks.